Hi! Today we're going to learn about applications of logarithms. Let's say we have a problem like this. If log m over n is equal to 5 and log p over n is equal to 8, what is the relation between m and p? So here we have to find the relation between m and p. So first what we have to do is get m by itself and p by itself in each of their respective equations. So here we can see we have log m over m. So if we remember, one of our logarithmic properties says that if you have one log and inside the log you have a value divided by another value, this is the same as a log, the first value, minus log the second value. So log m minus log n is equal to 5. So now, let's get log m on one side plus log n is equal to plus log n let's write this smaller so we have space for other stuff. So this is the same as log m minus log n is equal to 5. So now we add log n to both sides. To get on the left side, we get log m is equal to, on the right side we get 5 plus log n. 5 plus log n. So now let's get that for log p over n is equal to 8. So using the same property of logarithms here, we can get log p minus log n is equal to 8. Now we add log p to both sides, or log n to both sides. To get, so here we added log n to both sides. So here we get now log p, which is this value here, is equal to 8 plus log n. 8 plus log n. So now to find the relation between just m and p, not in terms of n, or not in terms of log n, we have to get log of n out of the picture. So what do we do? Well, because we know that in both these equations there is the same value of n, which is log of n, we can just subtract this equation from this equation. So let's do that. Let's erase this stuff. And erase this. And let's move these equations up. So we have, first we're going to subtract this value from this value because we know that 8 is greater than 5 and we don't want to get into negatives. So we have log p is equal to 8 plus log n minus log m is equal to 5 plus log n So now let's subtract this. So here on the left side we get log p minus log m log p minus log m is equal to 8 minus 5 is 3, and log of n minus log of n cancels out. So we're left with log of p minus log of m is equal to 3. So if we go back to our properties of logarithms, we remember that if you subtract a logarithm from another logarithm with the same base, then this is the same thing as one big log with both these values inside. So log of p over log of m. So it would become log of p over log of m because these have the same base. So now let's rewrite this. We have log of p over log of, or over m, is equal to 3. So now we have to find the relation between m and p, not log of n, log of m and log of p. So what we have to do is we have to get p over m by itself. So we know that this is a common log because if it doesn't have a value down here, that means that the value is 10, which is a common log. So to expand this logarithm, because we know what this value here is, we know that this value, which is 3, is the exponent of the base, which is 10. So this becomes p over m, which is the answer, is equal to 10 to the third, which is equal to 1,000. So p over m is equal to 1,000. So let's write that here. 1,000. So that means that to get p by itself and find the relationship between p and m, we have to multiply both sides by m. So when we do that, we get p is equal to 1,000 m. So the answer to this problem is p is equal to 1,000 m. Today we learned about applications of logarithms. Thank you for watching this video.